Hi, it's Stacey, and as you can see, we are outside again. Too hot to cook inside. Loving doing everything we can outside, and today I am making pork loin. I love pork loin, but because it's really lean, it doesn't have a lot of fat on it, it's really not great to cook on the grill unless you're going to babysit it. So I've come up with a different way to be able to cook it so that it's tender, juicy, and delicious. All right, you ready? Here you go. I'm going to show it to you really quick. There it is, 2 pork loins, juicy and delicious. I drizzled them with a little bit of roasted garlic and then I sprinkled them with a little bit of citrus dill seasoning, and I cranked up the heat on my indoor stovetop just so that I could get a nice brown on them. I put them on for maybe a minute on each side, and now I've transferred them over to the grill. So as you see here, I'm gonna keep it on about 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes and then put a meat thermometer in it. And when it's at 150, I'm gonna pull it off, let it rest for a little bit, make sure it's at 155 before I slice and serve it. One of the things you'll notice is where that handle is. It is over the flame. You need to be super, super careful and not just instinctively grab it with your hands. Otherwise, you're going to be fried and you're going to wind up with 3rd-degree burns. Now, you can put a silicone sleeve on that if you have one, like a, they call it a pan sleeve or a handle sleeve. Or you can use your mitt and just put your mitt next to the barbecue grill so that you remember. Don't touch it. But that is a super easy way and super delicious way to cook pork. Look at how beautiful that is, and it's because I pan-seared it over really high heat, and then I'm taking it outside and putting it on the barbecue grill. All right, that's it. Quick tip for today. Once again, using your grill as an oven, keep the heat in the grill, out of doors, and not in your house. All right, have a great day. Bye, everybody.